Hello everybody and welcome back to another video here on my channel. If I did not include last night's clip, then today I will explain on how last night around 9:30, Josh and I kind of were talking and I decided to load James and Lily up and we drove 5 hours to Huntington Beach, California to be with Josh for the weekend and get to see the air show out here. It is one of the last couple ones of the season. James and I were supposed to hit around 2 to 2:30 in the morning, but we ended up getting here around just a little bit after 1, which was really nice. I did great on time. Josh is at work. It is Friday and James and I are getting ready to kind of go back on a walk and take some photos, watch a little bit of their practice air show that they're doing. I know for the most part I wanted to stick with photography and vehicle related videos here on my channel, and this technically can fall under photography since I will be photographing as much as I can to a point, but I do have limited space on an SD card, and also this is a travel type video. I'm so excited for this weekend and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Have you ever had like an incident? 19 where an aircraft could have been very badly damaged if it took off. Like, have you ever had an incident where an aircraft could have been very badly damaged if it took off? Like, have you ever had an incident where an aircraft could have been very badly damaged if it took off? Like, have you ever had an incident where an aircraft could have been very badly damaged if it took off?
So every time the jets land, we have to do a pre-flight on it to make sure the aircraft is good to go. They'll come down and where were we? We were in Delaware, and one of the jets actually had a bird strike and went straight down the intake of the jet.
James and I just got home from California. It was around a 5-hour drive, and Josh is now finally on the plane. The C-130 was broke this morning, of course, so they got delayed, and he should be coming home anytime in the next 30 minutes or so. Today is Monday, October 3rd. It's actually my birthday, and we are going out for Mexican tonight, but other than that, I'm going to end this video, and I know for the most part it was just photography, but that's okay. It was a good little travel photography video of people behind the scenes at the air show and some other things that I've seen. Hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, keep up with any of my future videos. I hope to see y'all next week, and God bless.